In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new signature in Docusign, and we'll break it down so you can follow along easily. Let's get started by navigating to the Docusign homepage. You'll want to open up your preferred web browser and type in docusign.com in the address bar. Once you're there, you'll see the homepage of Docusign, which is widely recognized as the leader in electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management. Next, let's move on to logging in. On the top right corner of the homepage, you'll notice a login button. Go ahead and click on that. This will prompt you to enter your login credentials to access your Docusign account. If you don't have an account yet, you might need to sign up, but for today's demonstration, we'll assume you already have one. Enter your information and proceed to log in. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the Docusign home. From this page, you'll have access to all your documents, templates, and the tools you'll need to manage your signatures effectively. Now let's direct our focus to the next crucial step, which is heading to your profile. Up in the top navigation, you can find a section that might be labeled differently based on your version, but usually it is either under your avatar or labeled simply as profile. Click on that to proceed further. Once you've entered the profile view, what you want to do next is manage your profile. There will be an option labeled Manage Profile. Sometimes it might appear directly under your profile name or in a drop-down menu. Click on Manage Profile to get to the section where you'll create your signature. Now onto the heart of the matter, creating your signature. Within your profile settings, locate and click on Signatures. This will take you to a new page where you can manage your current signatures and add new ones. You've made it this far, so just one more step to go. You'll see an option labeled ADD Signature. Clicking on this option will open a new window where you can create your signature. Here you have different options such as drawing your signature, uploading a pre-existing one, or even typing it out using different fonts that mimic handwriting. Select the method that suits you best, and once you're satisfied with how your new signature looks, don't forget to save it. And that's it, you've successfully created a new signature in Docusign. Feel free to return and tweak it at any time if you want to make adjustments. This new signature can now be used in documents that require your authorization, making both your professional and personal dealings more efficient. Thank you for following along today. If you have any questions or need further clarification, be sure to explore more on Docusign's help pages or reach out to their support for assistance.